On this home, everything was original.
Pressboard siding may look good at first, but it does have a lifespan.
This house was built in the early 90s. Basically, it's a particle board material, and just over time, moisture, squirrels chewing on it, it was just expired and it needed to be replaced.
This homeowner chose new siding designed for long-term durability and low maintenance.
James Hardie siding is a fiber cement siding, 90% concrete. It does not rot.
You've heard me say it before, choose the right siding, put it in the right hands.
Just as important as the siding itself, who's installing it. We're trained to install James Hardie siding. We've been installing it for years. We are a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor, and we install the product properly on the home. That way you ensure you get the full warranty and it's going to last a long time.
With James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractors, the big difference is all the little details.
Some of the things that a lot of people don't do is we install joint flashing at each joint. Any cut edges that are in the field, we prime them before we put them up in the wall. The clearance between the roof and the siding is very important. We make sure that we leave a nice gap.
And in a week's time, this home looks as good as new.
We did this job in 6 days.
James Hardie siding is an investment in the future of your home.
It lasts very well for our climate, it holds paint well, and it's going to last a very long time.
Having the right installers do the job right is what makes Advanced Home Exteriors a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.